In this video we're going to learn about two corollaries. So let's take a moment to learn what a corollary is. A corollary is a theorem that can be proved easily using another theorem. Since a corollary is a theorem, you can also use it as a reason in a proof. So corollary to theorem 4.3 states if a triangle is equilateral, then the triangle is also equiangular. This is what it looks like. If segment XY is congruent to segment YZ, and segment YZ is also congruent to segment ZX, then angle X, angle Y, and angle Z are all congruent. So now let's look at corollary to theorem 4.4 now. It says that if a triangle is equiangular, then the triangle is also equilateral. And this corollary looks just like the other one, but backwards. So if angle X, angle Y, and angle Z are all congruent, then segment XY is congruent to segment YZ, and segment YZ is congruent to segment ZX. So problem 3, we're going to be working on finding angle measures. And this drawing is taken out of the drawing from the book, so this is just a simple piece of it. So it asks, what are the measures of angle A, angle B, and angle ADC in the diagram? As you can see by the drawing, the triangles are all equilateral, so they are also all equiangular. So the first thing we need to do is we need to find the measure of an angle. So what we're going to do is we're going to let A represent the measure of an angle. So using the triangle angle sum theorem, we're going to set this relationship up to be 3A, or 3 times A, equals 180. Finally, using the division property of equality, we're left with A equals 60. Since angle A and angle B are both angles in equilateral triangles, we're going to say that the measure of angle A equals the measure of angle B, which equals 60. Next, we're going to use the angle addition postulate to set up an equation to find the measure of angle ADC up here. So we're going to say the measure of angle ADC equals the measure of angle ADE plus the measure of angle CDE. Since angle ADE and angle CDE are both angles in equilateral triangles, the measure of angle ADC is equal to 60 plus 60 because the measure of angle ADE and the measure of angle CDE are both 60. So all we did on this step was substitute 60 and 60 in for the measures of the two angles to get the measure of angle ADC. Now all we have to do is simplify. Add 60 plus 60 to get 120, and we have the measure of angle ADC equals 120. And we're done.